This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you regularly eat seeds and nuts, you may have heard this advice many times. Soak them before eating. Some people say soaking improves digestion. Others claim it increases nutrient absorption. And many health blogs even suggest soaking large batches of nuts and seeds overnight. But here is the real question. Should you soak all nuts and seeds together in the same bowl? Or could that actually reduce their benefits? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this video, we are going to look at what science says about soaking nuts and seeds, how it affects nutrients and digestion, and the right way to prepare them if you choose to soak them. First, why do people soak nuts and seeds? Nuts and seeds are among the most nutrient-dense foods in the human diet. However, they also naturally contain substances called phytic acid, often referred to as an anti-nutrient. Phytic acid can bind to certain minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium in the digestive tract. Because of this binding effect, some of these minerals may become slightly less available for absorption. When nuts or seeds are soaked in water, certain enzymes become activated, and small amounts of phytic acid may be broken down. However, the reduction is usually moderate rather than dramatic, and the overall nutritional value of nuts and seeds remains high whether they are soaked or not. But does science support soaking? Scientific research does show that soaking, sprouting, or fermenting plant foods can reduce phytic acid levels to some extent. But it is important to understand the context. In traditional diets where people relied heavily on grains and legumes as staple foods, these preparation methods helped improve mineral availability. Nuts and seeds, however, are usually eaten in smaller portions, and they already provide many nutrients in highly beneficial forms. In other words, eating nuts and seeds is beneficial regardless of whether the nuts are soaked. Now let us address the key question. Is it okay to soak nuts and seeds together in one bowl? The short answer is not ideal, and there are a few reasons for this. First, different nuts and seeds absorb water at different rates. Almonds often require around 8 to 12 hours of soaking, while walnuts typically soften much faster. Some seeds, such as chia seeds or flax seeds, behave very differently in water. Chia seeds absorb water quickly and form a thick gel within minutes. Flax seeds can also become gelatinous when soaked. If these are placed in the same bowl with almonds or walnuts, the texture and soaking process can become uneven. Second, some seeds release compounds into the water that may affect other foods. For instance, when chia or flax seeds form a gel, they trap water and create a thick mixture that may prevent other nuts from soaking evenly. Third, food safety and freshness can become a concern if multiple ingredients are soaked together for long periods. Different nuts and seeds may require different soaking durations, and leaving everything together overnight may lead to overly soft textures or undesirable flavors. If soaking is something you prefer to do, here is a simple approach that works well. Use a separate bowl for each type of nut. Add enough clean water to fully cover the nuts, since they will expand slightly as they absorb water. Typical soaking times are: almonds, about 8 to 12 hours. Walnuts, about 4 to 6 hours. Cashews, about 2 to 4 hours. For the correct soaking time of all seeds and nuts, watch the video given above. After soaking, rinse them well and store them in the refrigerator if you plan to eat them later. Some people also prefer to dry them again using low heat to restore their crunch. It is easy to get caught up in preparation details, but the most important factor is regular consumption. Whether you eat them soaked, roasted, or raw, nuts and seeds remain one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. And remember, if you enjoy soaking nuts, do it separately and for the appropriate time. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who enjoys healthy eating. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mindhunters for more such nutrition tips. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.